So there's this very popular viral fact that's going around online, which says that in all the decades that we have taught apes how to use sign language, they have never asked one single question. The leading explanation is that they don't have a theory of mind. They don't know that we know things that they don't, and then if they ask us, we'll tell them. Except we know that's actually not true. They do have a theory of mind, and we know that because they lie, they steal, they fight, and when they fight, they set ambushes and traps for each other, which means they understand that other beings have different perceptions and know different information. So what's going on? Well, scientists started asking, do they actually know sign language? Or do they just know the sign for fruit or toys or attention? Because they seem to watch humans and mimic what we do. They do seem interested and curious in what's happening around them, and they do want to communicate, but they don't necessarily seem to want to communicate using sign language. And when they do, a lot of what they communicate is very short, and a lot of it is nonsense after they get past 2 or 3 words in a sentence. So what's more than likely happening is that they process language very differently than we do. They don't prioritize it the same way, and they prefer to learn by watching and by other forms of communication. This is why when you start judging an ape by how it communicates comparing it to a human, you're going to get a very skewed opinion. It's kind of like trying to measure how smart a fish is by seeing how long it takes to climb a tree. And this is why you have to be really careful with these viral science facts. They're not really made for nuance. They're made for quotes.